not really a set trail through here, so there, and I kind of got separated, so I'm in the middle of a maybe a class 3.5 or a class 4 bushwhack. But once we get out, punching to above that snow and then taking the ridge to the right. It's a lot mellower now that we're up in here. Way over there, needle and marker and yak. Beautiful day in the Coquihalla. All over it. Totally does. It is. Fuck, somebody's got an orange ass tent over there. No doubt. Rock's pretty easy. Yeah, seems to be where the trail goes. Just look used. Radio Kirk, see if you can see us before we pop over. Hey Kirk, how you doing down there?
Hey, all good.
Can you see us? We're just about to pop into the notch above the snowpack. You see the lit fire and stuff, eh? Oh, yeah, serious fire. There's the July mountain fire. You see a big plume way over there.
Yeah, this is actually pretty fun.
They are very convenient, aren't they?
Fucking breakfast sandwich is just the shit you call out here.
Captain's way over there.
Pardon?
It sounds hollow.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be much fun if it was wet.
No. Fucking scary as all hell.
So we had to bail off the ridge. You can't see it out here. There's a little notch, slightly narrower than Jared's ass, that we had to come down. We couldn't make it down this here. It cliffs out on us, so we're just gonna go down here and around and then up to the summit proper. And then we can continue down the other ridge and loop back to camp. So. There we go, did the bypass. There's the summit up there. But yeah, we just weren't about to down climb that. That was a little much. So we found a way around it. Yeah, that's a pretty fucking steep fall if you go. Yeah, we're camped just down over in there. There's around in the corner right there. Coquihalla Mountain. Check. Help! A long ways to the bottom. So we hike around and we get on that ridge down there, and then we just shoot back over to there, over to camp. Oh yeah. Well, let's see if we can actually walk this ridge out. This goes down there. Get up on this hump here. I think we can drop over the far side and just walk the ridge down. Hoping so. I don't really want to go back to a bunch of the stuff we came up. So, anyway, let's go take a look. Right there. For the hole. Chair over in the other main summit. I'm really hoping I can just walk down over here because I don't want to down climb anything. Down climbing sucks. Oh yeah, I think we can scramble our way through that. Long ways down. Yeah, it's a pretty nice Alpine up here. Definitely a cool spot. Glad we were able to summit today. This one has been 4 years since we attempted. And it's just too early, too much snow, and ended up turning around when it got too sketchy. So. You're videotaping us at lunch? Here it just drops. Maybe 150 meters, I'd say. You'd bounce and roll down that for 10-15 seconds, man. You're not gonna free fall, you're just gonna. No, 10 seconds you'd bounce and roll.
You would.
Yeah.
Fuck all you do, bro.
Yeah, you hit that snow and just fucking splat. Slide out on the bottom.
Slide over to the rock.
That's it, that's where they picked him up. Board it this way because it looks a little sketchy down there. So I'm gonna get over on this next ridge beside us. It's all fun until you gotta down climb. We'll sniff a way down, we always do. Switch back. Oh, switch. Yeah, I think we made a wise choice. That would have been a pretty heroic down climb.
Well, yeah, that's probably part of it.
That's where the real climbers go, not us trail climbers. And the trouble is, when you fall here, you get lots of time to bounce. It's not just, ah, dead. It's ouch, 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 ouch. Springfield Gorge. A little bit of loose sketch. It's okay, we can loose sketch our way down through this. Can get our way down through this.
Good hand footholds anyway.
Yeah, I should probably put the GoPro away though. I should probably put the GoPro away for this section.
It's movie.
Okay. I will note that rock. When Jared's going around that corner, so. Ready. There he is. Like 1 out of every 10 rocks is a fun rock. 1 out of every 10 rocks is a fun rock. As long as they're not one after the other, you're probably all right. But when they're locked together nicely, you can really move through these rocks. And you can tell these ones with the algae on them, they haven't moved for a long time. So they're locked together really nicely. They're all bare and, you know, they keep coming down and they're moving and tumbling. They're probably going to be loose and shitty to hike through. These things here, they're locked together. It's almost like the mortar holding them. Oh, there we go. Walking the heather for a bit. Yeah, I think if we stay at this elevation, you can just shoot across. Don't even have to go down right to the bottom. Although we could just boot ski down to the toe of this.
Yeah, I was thinking going around the rock wall. I don't think we need to go up at all. Somebody said we're walking on structure facilitates rapid transport.
It does, nice uniform. The uniform surface. Yeah, we gotta watch here. We got a cornice right to our
tracks.
right.
Somebody fucking trucking through here 2 days ago at least.
Yeah.
They must have gone this way and then wrapped up around. Or that's the down track.
Yeah, somebody might have just went up and down the same route. I think we got a cornice right here. Do a July cornice drop. Oh my gosh, totally is. I'm not about to jump down there. This is where you need trail shoes. Yeah, it's a cool little windlet.
Looks like a fucking monster on the GoPro.
Yeah.
They fucking-
So what were you thinking of going up that scree talus-y stuff above us there?
Yeah, you're actually close. It doesn't look too bad. But I kind of like it.
Yeah, it was interesting.
So we can pretty well just stay on the trail.
Yeah, we can just shoot across. I think we're at that hourglass here, so. Slow motion wipeout. Jesus. La 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 la, I'm loaded. Nothing, I'm just laughing at myself. Yeah, I think the pitch is pretty steep over here. We want to just cut this.
But I think if you just kind of traverse a little, like a few meters to your left, you'll drop, right? I think you'll be okay. Just gotta watch these little ice spots.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm concerned about. It ends rather abruptly below us here.
Okay, you got a helmet on.
Hey, here's somebody above us.
Yeah.
Ah, run it out, man, run it out. In doubt, run it out.
Exactly.
No doubt. So yeah, last few 100 meters to the camp. Super duper windy at camp, everyone is cold. So we decided to come do before the sun goes down, so that's the plan. That's it. It should just be a basic scramble up. Hang out for a bit, come down. For the most part, it's pretty basic up. Always ribbon in here, but just following the cairns and whatnot. See where the trail's been walked on numerous times. So, log. 15 minutes, we've been talking. So, Jim Kelly Peak. There, I tagged off 3